Are you tired of struggling with complex data presentations? Meet wpDataTables, the ultimate WordPress plugin. With it, you can easily create beautiful tables and charts without writing a single line of code. Imagine showcasing your products in organized, customizable tables. Easily allow customers to purchase directly from the product table. For web developers, you can create professional pricing tables and catalogs that impress clients. And for marketers, dynamic tables and charts help visualize critical data like reports and event schedules. So how does it work? First, install the plugin. Next, create tables from scratch or with data sources. Then, publish them in your posts or pages. Finally, share them across your website. Thousands of users trust wpDataTables for its efficiency and professional support. Users rave about its incredible performance and user-friendly interface. It's time to make your data work for you. Take advantage of our 15-day money-back guarantee. Don't wait any longer. Click the link below to visit our website today and elevate your data visualization with wpDataTables.